Let's find 3 over 8 of 2 minutes in seconds. 3 over 8 of 2 minutes means 3 over 8 times 2 minutes. From the SI unit table for time, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And 2 minutes will be equal to 2 minutes times 60 seconds all over 1 minute. Simplifying, 1 minute divided by 1 minute is 1, and 2 minutes divided by 1 minute is 2. 2 times 60 seconds is equal to 120 seconds. Substituting gives 3 over 8 times 120 seconds. Simplifying, 8 divided by 4 will give us 2, and 120 divided by 4 will give us 30. Simplifying further, 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 30 divided by 2 will give us 15. 3 times 15 seconds will be equal to 45 seconds. 45 seconds is 3 over 8 of 2 minutes in seconds.